Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the full process of how I draw Toji Fushiguro from Jujutsu Kaisen with just a ballpoint pen. The main aim of this video is just to let you know the endless possibilities of what can be achieved with just a normal ballpoint pen in terms of art or drawing. I hope you like the video and also learn something from it. Enjoy! The main technique I used in this drawing was just normal hatching. I mostly start my strokes from the top left and down to the bottom right, which I may call it the diagonal hatching method. Okay, that's all about the technique. Also remember that layering is key, very key, so I go lightly and build up the tones carefully. If I want darker values, I add more layers of hatching. And also, when it comes to using the ballpoint pen, in terms of shading, the more you put pressure on the pen, the darker your strokes. So I suggest that you use very light pressure to build up the tones gradually, and then add more layers to it if you want a darker value. Please, if you find this video interesting so far, kindly leave a like and also subscribe. Thank you for watching the video, and if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel because it motivates me to create more good content for you guys to enjoy. Please kindly drop your thoughts in the comments and let me know which anime character I should draw next.